is with my name. T. Oh, I love it. That's my style a little bit. Shorts, my favorite thing. But, should I post it? Oh, sandals. Another eye. Oh, the socks are so cute. And, oh, so cute. Next. Okay, the t-shirt is like a... Next one. Next one, guys. Gagawin ko naman yung pangalan ng ate ko, yung Colleen. Oh! Boy, she's more stylish. Oh, mali. See? Oh, shorts. Okay, that's a short little bit straight. Hindi, pala mali. Pero kami may socks. Isa kami siyang Crocs. Pang alis namin pag aalis kami. Oh, shorts and Crocs. I think that's a little bit high. Pero itong top talaga, pang siya, pang matanda na siya. Kung gusto niyo din. Oh, pares lang yung hats. Gusto niyo din. Next, isa ko namang ate. Madami. Okay. It's so cute! That is for her! Next, yung kuya ko. And so yung white. Just the white here. Ngayon kasi ng nonoy. Okay, that's perfect. This shorts, yung pang lalaki shorts na. Kuntas, yeah. Okay. Next one. Isa ko pang ate. So, let's go! Ay, tita ko na. Hindi, mama. Cheers. Her name is Cheers. Oh, yeah, this is a little bit her style. Jeka. Her name is Jeka. It's so cute! So, see you next week. May patang tayo or hindi? Hindi ko kasi alam, guys, kung may